Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M7 Plus and let me share with you how to free up storage without deleting the apps. So let's start with removing cache. Let's go to the settings. Right here we have to scroll and find the section apps. And right here we've got the list of all installed apps, and what I highly recommend to do is to go through all of those apps, especially those which you're frequently using, but all of the apps will need this operation. Open the app, tap on it, go to storage and find cache. In this case we've got 0 cache, so let me find something which will actually have something to remove. So maybe Chrome. Tap on storage, and here we've got cache. So basically cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but we can remove it without affecting the usage of the app. So let's tap on clear data here and tap on clear cache. Tap on OK, and as you can see your device will immediately remove it. And as I said, go through all of those apps and remove cache. After that, I highly recommend to soft reset your device. So basically all you have to do is to press the power button and volume up button together once. So do something like that, and then drag this ball to this reboot option. Your device will be automatically powered on and then powered off and then powered on again, and it will kind of confirm the changes connected with the cache. Another thing what you can do is to use the security. I mean, of course, you can start with cleaner. Just tap on this app. This app is pre-installed, so for sure you've got one. Just find the icon, the trash bin icon. And here you can remove cache files and residuals. Just tap on clean up. And the second way is to go to security. This app is also pre-installed, so for sure you've got one. Find it, and here we've got the optimize option. For a sec, it will be shown. So just tap on optimize, and you've got also deep clean, so just tap on it. Here obviously we've got the apps, but we are trying to avoid removing apps, so just focus on clear app data and delete photos. So for example, your device will show you those which are duplicated and they are not necessary. Also you will be able to remove app data, so I highly recommend to go through the deep clean and to remove everything which is not necessary. Moreover, I highly recommend to consider moving your data, like photos and videos, to the cloud. I mean, to perform a backup. I will not show you the full operation because we've got a detailed tutorial on our channel how to perform a backup. And basically you will be able to move your photos or videos to, for example, Google Drive or OneDrive or Google Photos or whatever. So backup photos, and you will be able to remove them from your internal storage. So you will be able to release some memory, obviously. And as a last resort, I really highly recommend to check your downloads, because let's be honest, usually we are downloading a lot of stuff and we forget about it, but obviously the files are still saved and they are occupying memory. So it doesn't really matter which file manager you're using. You can use the pre-installed one, you can use the one from Google. Totally up to you. I don't care. Basically in each file manager you will find the download. So let me go here, for example, give the permissions it needs and go to browse. Here we've got the folders, and as you can see we've got this download option. Let's simply enter it. In my case I do not have any files downloaded, but I highly recommend to check them and remove those which are not really that necessary. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.